Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's still your favorite girl, Blessing, Ify Nwosu or Ify Nwosu. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, my name is Blessing Ify Nwosu, and in this channel we talk about everything migration to the UK, either as a nurse or a healthcare assistant. Then, if you're a returning subscriber, you are part of the family, you're welcome. So if you, after viewing, and you like what we're doing in this channel, please could you kindly subscribe, like, and then click on the notification bell so that you get alert of my videos when I drop them, and then share with your friends. Okay, all right, thank you very much. This morning I wanted to take us on a topic to talk about something very pertinent, and that is step-by-step process of migrating to the UK as a healthcare assistant. Now, I've noticed that a lot of people actually get confused, when we do videos of how to do this, and then they'll be like, I need someone to tell me, what do I need to do? Like, at first, what do I need to put in place? I need someone to tell me. I would say, like, boy, we have all those videos in the YouTube. A lot of people have done videos, wonderful videos about it, talking about it. Then I kind of put myself in the shoe for someone with no health care background, no medical knowledge background. For someone to be hearing such thing, I know how absurd or how weird a novice will take it, you understand? So I kind of put myself in their shoe and said that's true. It's better you do a kind of concise video and tell people this is what we are talking about. So that is what led me to do this video this morning, to let you know the step by step. If I was to be in your shoe looking for a healthcare work in the UK from my country, this is the step I would have taken. Okay, now I'm not a professional. This is viewer discretion. I'm not an agent. I don't give job. I'm just an ordinary girl trying to give you the knowledge of what she's gotten so far because I live in the UK. Okay, and then with the knowledge of how I did my own nursing migration, you can also do your own. That is where all this knowledge is coming from. Okay, all right. And then from the fact that I also use my phone wisely because I browse, I read things. Okay, so this is it. So if I'm to be in your shoe, if I'm to be in my country seeking for the work of a healthcare assistant and ready to migrate to the UK, what would I have done? First of all, I will decide in myself that I really want to embark on this journey, because it is not an easy journey. It will involve emotions, finances, and all that. And you have a lot of frustration on the way. You will be turned down. You will get frustrated along the way. Okay, at the time you feel like giving up, but the losers are only people that give up. Okay, winners don't give up. Now you have to decide in yourself that you really want to embark on this journey, that you really want to do this, that you want to embark on this journey of becoming a healthcare assistant in the UK. Then you make up your mind. Then also make up your mind to put your phone into use. You learn how to put your phone into use. You must use your phone. You must be able to sit down, use your phone, Google it out, type it in the internet. Anything at all you are looking for in this life has already been answered. It's on the internet. Just use your phone wisely, okay, and type it. You can go to the UK government's website anytime. They don't hide informations. All this information I'm giving you, they are also there. How to migrate for international workers and everything, they are there. Any announcement they make, they always put it there. It is always there. So that is it. You must make use of your phone after you once have made up your mind. So when I have known all those things, that I'll make up my mind, make use of my phone. The next thing I want to put in check is this: do I have an international passport? If you don't have an international passport, you can't book for your IELTS exam. You can't book for your IELTS exam. You can't even travel. Okay, so you can't be given visa. So first of all, make sure you get an international passport ready. Okay, then while trying to get it ready, you try and liaise with a hospital around you and tell them that you want to either as a volunteer, or if they say they will give you the work, you think you don't have any other work you are doing, then you can work as a healthcare assistant in that hospital in your country. You can go there, bring out like 6 to 8 hours every day and help patients. Then after few months, let the owner of the hospital write write a set for you that you've done so thing. Let them kind of be a kind of reference, and then you put it in your CV. It will give you, though we said that this work, yeah, it is for people without healthcare background or anything, but there is a difference between someone, you think someone that have had an experience of what she or he is going for, than someone that just a total novice. The person that have an experience will have a edge over you, because they will tend to take him or her faster than you that doesn't have anything. So you can just help yourself and then do that training, put it in your CV. That is all I'm trying to say. So while also doing that training, I will also be preparing to write my IELTS. So there are alternatives. Instead of writing IELTS, you can also do NARIC, ECCTS, formerly known as NARIC. Here, you don't need to write any IELTS exam. It's just for you to show a proof that you've done a degree taught in English, and there are processes for you to prove that. There are statements you need to do, and there is also payment, which I'll be doing in another video to tell you how it works, how to use NARIC instead of IELTS. But for convenience sake for this video, I'll prepare for my IELTS. I'll pay and prepare for my IELTS using a very good class. I think the score, the band score for the IELTS should be between 4 and 5, but I don't believe in that 4, so let me just go for 5. From 5 up, you can have a band score of 5 upwards. Okay. So why also preparing, why doing the hospital job, preparing for my IELTS, I'll also be building my CV, putting every necessary volunteer work I have done, any person I have taken care of in the past, whether a relative of mine that I've taken care of in the past as a sick person, you know, I've taken care of that person when the person was sick or something like that. I'll also put it in my CV. It's part of the work experience. That is what you're coming to do, to take care of people that cannot be able to take care of themselves because maybe they've been tied down by one ailment or another, or just to take care of someone that is entirely good without ailment or underlying ailment, but maybe some abilities, the person has lost some abilities. Okay, so taking IELTS. Then another thing I will have to do when I'm preparing, if I'm preparing for this job, is that I have to go to the website and search out courses that I need to do to increase my chances of getting this job, to increase my chances of landing myself a healthcare assistant job. And then I've said it before that Florenceapp will help you. So if you go there, there are a lot of apps, and I've done the videos. Please, the link is on this. I'll put the link in the description box, so you can go there. And then there are 15 main courses. There are a lot of courses, almost 40 something or even more than 50 something, but there are 15 main ones. Out of that 15, you can do 3, you can do 4, you can do 5, you can do as much as you want. But just to put it in your CV and say, I've done understanding what a healthcare assistant is, hand hygiene, all those necessary ones and everything, they are all there. You can go there, and then if they say you should pay. There are some people that came back to me and said that there was no payment. Good and fine. Then do and get your cert. I have the video in my YouTube channel. You can look it up, okay? And the link is on the description box. You can look it up and then make sure you get your certificate. Put it in your CV. You are bringing your value higher for this job, okay? And likelihood of being chosen before any other one that doesn't have such certificate. Yes, there are certificates for healthcare assistants. So while I get that ready, then I'll take my IELTS when I'm ready to take my IELTS. And then once I'm done, my CV is ready, my IELTS result is ready, then I have my certified courses on this journey. And then the next thing I'll do is to use my phone and start searching for agencies that are recruiting from my country and who are ready to give me Tier 2 visa. So that is the next thing I'll have to do. Or I use Indeed Job to search out for NHS or anybody at all recruiting or home care that are taking healthcare assistants. That is what I will do. And I'll use Indeed Job, Track Job, NHS Job, and then I'll also Google it to see the agencies that are doing, and I'll start applying. I apply like 10 to 15 if I can be able in a day, yeah, because you're gonna get a lot of unfortunate mail that sorry, we're not recruiting, sorry this, and then some people will also respond to you. So this is what I would have done. Then when I apply, of course, out of all the application, I will get a call for an interview. Then I'll also prepare myself for an interview. I will be giving you tips on how to prepare for interview, and the kind of questions, a sample question they ask for healthcare assistant, in another video. So this is the steps that you need to take. I didn't talk about the financial part of this thing, because I'm not yet sure about it, okay? So that you won't say that, I thought you said estimated cost is this, I thought you said. So this is just the step by step, the process I would have followed if I am in your shoe, preparing to migrate as a healthcare assistant. Okay, all right, I hope this video helps. If it helped, please could you, I know it helped. So just click like, subscribe, share to your friends, let them also see. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. All right, bye bye.